Respected. His name is Sayyid Salawat.
شلونك يا سيد؟ شلونك؟
شلون راحتك؟ زين؟ اشتقنا شلونك؟ زين.
Hello, Mr. Gavi.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
The youngest of his many sons, in modern suits and speaking a little English, are every bit as welcoming as the Sayyid.
يلا سيد.
مسألة قوية. خطار جاز.
Never mind.
وهسه كهرباء.
Good.
خير من الله.
والتلفزيون.
خير من الله.
التلفزيون وين؟
موجودنا.
بالمضيف؟
البيت.
بالبيت. بالمضيف؟ ماكو شيء.
No, and
الحمد لله.
زين.
الحمد لله.
شلونك يا
زين.
شلونك والله؟ كنت ببغداد؟
Hey, yes.
لا أمس بغداد.
Before 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
You speak English very well now.
No,
Yeah,
but...
It was Sayyid Salawat who gave me this magnificent war canoe, able to carry 12 fully armed men. Marsh Arabs built canoes like this 5,000 years ago. And 5,000 years ago, they were also building houses just like this, all of reeds. This one is Sayyid Salawat's guest house, where the Sayyid feeds and puts up his numerous visitors.
15 يوم
15
20
انت لما تروح من
Several men from the marsh village I was aiming for soon arrived at Sayyid Salawat's, ready to take me next morning into the marshes.
لا ماكو قاعدة اليوم ابدا قاعدة ربيع بطال